Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are checking out the Jeffree Star Cosmetics Northern Lights Skin Frost Pro Palette. Stay tuned if you want to learn more. So guys, I got this for Christmas. It was a gift from my boyfriend. He knows that I watch Jeffree Star videos and a lot of beauty gurus on YouTube, and I have never actually owned a Jeffree Star product ever in my life. I've always wanted to, I just never got around to actually ever owning something. And when I pulled this out of the gift bag, I got really excited because out of all the things to get as the first present, I was very impressed that he picked this, and I'm so excited. I haven't touched this. I wanted it to be a first time showing use for anyone watching this video. So just a quick disclaimer, I am no beauty guru, I'm no makeup artist, I am not anyone in the professional realm of makeup. I just simply do my eyebrows and my mascara and I'm ready to go. I'm not that big into anything, so if I'm doing something wrong or incorrect or anything, I'm just the average consumer, someone that really isn't that great into makeup. I'm of course no Jeffree Star either, so just wanted to put that out there for anyone that was like wondering what the heck I'm doing. I'm just doing what I do if I would ever pick this up in store. So first, this is the packaging. I really love this packaging. It's kind of textured when you go over the mountains. Like I said, this is the Northern Lights palette. This is the Skin Frost Pro palette. And this is based off of him and Nathan's trip to Alaska. And on the back, it has a little bit of a blurb right there that he put on it. I'm going to read it for you. Here are 6 blinding new shades inspired by my trips to Alaska with Nathan. We saw the Northern Lights together for the first time years ago, and it's one of our favorite places to see them. These shades will make you sparkle and bring out your inner diva. Extreme payoff, vegan, and cruelty-free. Now, yeah, all of his products are vegan and cruelty-free, which is great. So I'm going to open this up and show you what it looks like. Now here's the start of the show. It has this cute, like, holographic green sort of thing going on here. It's a nice thick box. I'd say it's like a 1-inch binder. But I find it very unique. I don't have anything like this. Like, I've been to Ulta once and I got a really cool pro highlighter palette. It has like pinks and stuff. Oh, I have 2 Anastasia Beverly Hills highlighter palettes as well, but this is like my first big thing. But of course you hold the bottom down with this little tab here and you open it up and put it down. And you have all 6 shades here. Now, in his review of this palette, he did mention that there are 4 metallics and 2 sort of toppers. So I noticed a couple reviews where people were like, oh, this one isn't as bright as I thought it would be. Well, he did mention that something was a top. 2 of them were toppers, so that's probably what it is. Ooh, yeah, see, I have not used this. I wanted to save this for this video, so I did not even get a chance to take this wrapping off. I'm so excited about this. Now, the packaging, as you can tell, is a little bit eccentric. Usually you're used to like these little flat squares. Like, he did have the Platinum Ice palette. I never purchased that. I only know about it. But, I think he's actually bringing that back. But it's like a square. It's not like this luggage factor like the Blood Sugar palette is and stuff like that. You just open this up. You get your nice mirror, which I don't have a mirror right now, so thank you. So I'm going to swatch these and show you like how it looks on my skin tone. Like, I'm white as snow, and I wish I wasn't, but that's what these are going to look like on a white person. So But yeah, these are his new Skin Frost formula, the baked highlighter. I've seen like mixed reviews on it. People are like, oh, this isn't my favorite thing. This isn't my, well, I've never touched it, so it's gonna be a first one for me. So let's do that. I'm going to try Alaskan Ice first. I'm gonna put it on my arm. And I think, yeah, let's get to this. I don't want to mess it up, but if you wanted a quick, like, close look at it, these are all textured. They're like stamped in, if you want to see that. Really bright. They're really pretty. I know some people are like, oh, some of these wouldn't go good with my skin tone. Well, you can find an excuse to use below freezing anywhere. You just don't want to. So let me just skip into Alaskan Ice. I don't want to mess this up, but I am. Put it right here so you can see. Ooh, okay. Also, don't judge my swatching. I've never done this in my life before. I just wanted to show you guys how this looked. But yeah, that's like a bright, like white with some green blue undertones. I'm gonna show you a close-up of my arm after this if you can't see it in this shot. So that's Alaskan Ice. Definitely love that effect. This is gonna be good, especially if you like going to raves or you really want that wow factor. My friend loves going to raves, and I actually recommended getting her this palette. For her getting this palette because she just loves that stuff. This is Thawed Out. I think this is the one I saw a lot of people were like, oh, this isn't blinding. Well, this is probably the one for me because I'm not that extra. Yeah, this is like, oh wow. Wow, I like this one. Now this is a pinky. These are all like sparkly-ish so far. This is like a nice little pinky tone. And I like this one. This is something I would use if I wanted like an extra little oomph. Maybe if I'm going to one of my business ceremonies or whatever. But I really like this one. I might put it on after this. Maybe I'll put it on and show you what it looks like on me. We'll see. So I'm gonna try Below Freezing. I'm not scared of color, it's just like I've never used it before. So let me just try this. Oh, I feel weird like smudging it. I like, ooh. Now, of course, if you have a darker skin tone, this is gonna look amazing on you. And I think definitely during the summer when you want to wear bright colors, if you wore like an orange dress or something, this would look perfect because those are complementary colors. Definitely use this as like an eyeshadow or something, or if you really want to like go out, especially like a rave or anything, this is the one to use. Also, as I'm trying these are like, honestly, like you're touching freshly cleaned linens. Like, it doesn't feel like I'm touching makeup. 10 out of 10. Most interesting feeling I've ever had on my hands. Now, when I use my like Anastasia Beverly Hills palettes, I tend to go for the gold ones. I'm not sure why. I probably look really stupid wearing it, but I just think it looks good. I'm going to dip into Frozen Gold. And let's try this. Right there. Ooh, I like that color so much. Yes, this is another color where if you have a darker skin tone, you are going to look amazing in this. Especially if you just had like a little gold jewelry accent maybe on your wrist or in your ears. This would look amazing. Like I said, I go for the gold colors even though I like wearing silver jewelry, but I don't know, I feel like this brings out some of the copper tones in my hair. I don't know. But yeah, these are so like cute, powdery. I love these. Now this is Anchorage. This is like it looks like a peachy type of tone. I don't know, I like that color more than I like Thawed Out, just like looking at it in the pans. Let me try this. My big fat ass thumb in there. Sorry. Put my big thumb in there. Ooh. Oh my goodness. Now, of course, you probably see me dipping in like 2-3 times and think, she doesn't need to do that, but I just want to show you how like a better look at what these colors look like and the angle I'm looking at. I can't see them exactly, but wow, this is a good one where if you just like Thawed Out, these two are really good if you want to be like subtle about your highlight, just like a little sparkle here and there. Oh wow, this is Arctic Sky. Arctic Sky is the last one. Rubbing it in with like the weird part of my hand. You're probably judging me right now. Oh wow. Okay, so this one is definitely a lighter one. Yeah, I think maybe this was the one that a lot of people are like, oh, that's like not as blinding. Well, light, okay, so Arctic Sky, Anchorage, Thawed Out. These are good for you girls that want like just something there, nothing too blinding, because you know how Jeffree Star is. He has to have his blinding highlight, you know. So these three, 1, 2, 3, are definitely good for that calm, you know, I put makeup on, but also maybe did I, you know, look. I like that. I'm gonna have a hard time picking out like which ones I want to use on a maybe almost everyday basis. Now, below freezing, I'm not going to use as much, my personal thing, but if I definitely want to go out and make it an eyeshadow, definitely can. I'm not going to let it go to waste just because it's a bright blue color. Alaskan Ice, if I find the right outfit, I'm going to wear it. So, definitely. And Frozen Gold, I love it. I just don't know if it looks right on me, you know? You feel like... I can't, that's pretty awkward, but yeah. So here, if I turn, here's like different angles. Yeah. Now he said 4 metallics, 2 toppers-ish, and you can definitely tell what the metallics are when you swatch them on your own skin, or maybe if you can see here. Alright, so here's a closer look. As you can see, Alaskan Ice starts here and Arctic Sky is here. So yeah, let me go apply, I think, Thawed Out, maybe a little bit of Anchorage on my face, and I'll come back and show you. Alright, so in the palette I used Thawed Out. As you can see, there's a lot everywhere, but I felt like that was the best one for me right now. So I put a little on my nose and on the side. It's a nice pink, sparkly, metallic, and I really loved how it went on. Yeah, it's a little light at first, but if you like dig in, apply a little bit more, as much as you want, it's beautiful. Alright guys, so that's a look at the Jeffree Star Northern Lights Skin Frost Pro Palette. Like I said, I'm no beauty guru or makeup genius or anything like that, but I really, really wanted to be able to support him and have a nice, you know, product in my makeup collection that, and be able to try something, because I have never been able to try something like that before. If you want to find out any more information, that will be in the description section below. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video.